tonight, your men's basketball player of the year, Mr. Cliff Iscamis.
Sobrang honored to be part of a few nakakahap ko lang kanila si paid off nakamotivate ng to work harder. Same way I came in, give my all talaga, never take anything for granted, enjoy every moment of it kasi syempre last na, college is not forever, so enjoy everything, give everything so that in the end wala we're good.
The Women's Volleyball Player of the Year, Bella Belen.
I'm very happy kasi na-recognize po ulit ako. And hindi ko po siya ina-expect talaga. Nagulat na lang ako ng message sa akin kung makaka-attend ako. Sabi ko pa kung saan. So yun, I'm very happy kasi hindi lang naman ako yung volleyball na athlete, collegiate athlete sa babae. And ako po yung na-recognize. And I'm very thankful na po. Siguro nasuklian po lahat ng pagod and sacrifices ko sa NU. So yun, hindi ko naman siya makukuha without the help of my coach, teammates, and the community itself. So ayun, inaalay ko sa kanila yung award na to.
Ano muna yung gulat?